Welcome to the ACH, boys and girls. It's already getting cooler through here, which is nice because it's so warm. KITB, what's the ambient temp? Oh, so it's still 70 degrees. That's nice. But it's definitely cool air through here versus when we were back there at sea level. And KITB is telling me right now that it's going down consistently, so it is cooling off down here, and we knew that's going to happen because obviously we're going up into the mountains now. It's open all the way, which is nice. So we're going to take this way the entire way to Lake Arrowhead. We're going to hit the 38, I believe, or 34. What's the highway? 30 something that goes down to the 210. He's going to drop off that way and go back home. I'm going to keep on trucking all the way to Lake Arrowhead, which is I think just before or after Big Bear Lake. So it's pretty close to Big Bear. This is just the way to go, the longest way I could find, the most curves, the most fun, you know? And we're just gonna enjoy this road. This bike isn't that bad. The only thing I hate is that I can't go any lower. That's my #1 complaint. I wish there was more ground clearance. But other than that, like, I really can't complain. I really enjoy cruising on this motorcycle. That's what's great. It's a great little cruiser. Nice Viper. What about Ricer? Look at all these Ricers. Fast and Furious is back. That was a Matrix riced out. What the heck? Yeah, the hills of Japan. That's so funny. You know what? They like it. That's why they did it. You know, can't hate. Can't hate. Gotta appreciate. As I'm old and 30 now, I just appreciate anything. You know, they appreciate it. Let them be. I also call them Ricers. And hey, I met one of my good friends, Calvin, that way. I made fun of his car 2 years ago, and now we're friends. So this is how far above sea level I am at home, 3,000. So you feel the bikes now just lose power. There's no more balls. So Calgary, everyone is 3,000 feet above sea level roughly, or 33 something. Got the polices, got the CHP. This bike ain't going fast. I'm a cruiser. Oh man, this is so great. And to think HT wanted me to go on the 210 all the way over there. No, thank you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that view, boys and girls. Check it out. It's hard to look at because we're turning here, but next round I'll show you. This is the first time I'll get to do it the entire way, because each time I come out here over the winter, they close it at the very top because it does get snowy and impassable. So, yeah, I turned around somewhere up here actually. It was ice and snow on the ground. Yeah, I was skating on. That was my Hyper Motard video where I stopped like right around here actually and turned around. Because there was snow and stuff, chilling. There we go, #2. Look at this, guys. Look how lucky we are to be able to ride this. Mid-November. To Wrightwood, that's where we're going. There was no hotels available in Wrightwood, so I'm going to Lake Arrowhead now, which is more beautiful. The drone shots will look great. Whoa, 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 whoa! Feel the power loss now up here? Yeah, this bike, I just lost like 20 horsepower, I bet. Same thing happens to my Super Duke. This is where turbo cars really come into their own because they keep the same amount of air coming in. Well, they keep their power because they're able to compress air. We'll do it at 50. Look at this. is gorgeous out here. Look at these views you get. There's nothing, just a beautiful mountain range. That is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, you get away from the big populous city and we get to just check this out. Meow. Look at that with the sun in the background. How nice is that? Amazing shots with the sun there. Took a little break. Now we're back on the road. I put a liner in, getting a little chilly up here. But that's why you have the bags. What? What? How many? Oh yeah, it is open. I can just tell them. Unless... Well, here I am losing receipts. Oh. I left my wallet open. That is hilarious. I left my little bag open here. Did you grab the other one for me, buddy? You said right there. I think it's on that side. Man, this is money right here. This is what Harley Davidson is buying my gas. I gotta keep these. No, it's up here for sure. It's on the right side. Maybe the car just drove over it and now it's gone. Nice. How much is that one? Oh, I lost $7 if I didn't get that that receipt. Oh, thanks for $7, man. Only lost 3 receipts. Nice. And we're not littering in a national forest. What good motorcyclists we are. Look at that sky behind us. Oh my goodness. It is gorgeous. Oh, it's fine. Alright, mission update. Rolling through ACH, number 2 in the Los Angeles National Forest. And it is 7 degrees Celsius, so a whopping 45 Fs. But it's all good because I'm on 2 wheels, baby! Yeah. Man, I love what I do. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wowee, wowee. Wow. Just see through the trees there, the gorgeous skylight. The most aggressive shifting with all of this Milwaukee steel. There's no power up here, it's like 7,000 feet. Yeah, that was full throttle, man. Yeah, it is 3rd, I think. So here, this will be 2nd gear, full gun. It's nothing. Yeah, but dude, you've lost power for sure this high up. $17,000? Yeah, there it is. Tallest point right here, boys and girls. 7,018 feet. Bam! And now it's all downhill from here, just like when you get past 30. Man, oh man, it's getting cold. We're losing light. Get to use the brand new LED headlamp from Harley. It's pretty good actually. I'm pretty impressed. Hey, turn yours off. I'm trying to review mine. KITV's back there with the Super Adventure showing off his LED headlamp, but here's my high beam. So that's a really good distance and nice wide spread. The light's really good. Turn it off for this guy here, put it back on. Oh, it's my first time riding the ACH all the way through, so this is kind of exciting. Oh yeah, look at that civilization down there. It smells so fresh. There's no LA smog through here. It's gorgeous. Having a blast out here. Pacific Crest Trail. Oh, hiking trails and whatnot. It's my people. What's up, boys? Yeah, I wasn't planning to ride at night, so I didn't bring my clear visor this trip, but we got delayed with the flat tires, so it's all good though. We'll make it work like I always do. I feel that we're descending. The power's coming back ever so slowly. It really does. Elevation really affects power, and when I couldn't wheelie my R6 when I was younger, I'm like, what am I doing wrong? And they say, well, it's the elevation. It's the, you know, I've got 20% less power because I'm so high up, and it's so true. This is gorgeous. Oh yeah, these are all the first time going through these tunnels, baby. Let's make some noise. Look at those headlights. It's like daylight in here, man, with our LEDs. Look at this. That is dope. Yeah! What a great ride. Girls, we just passed the sign saying 7903 or 7908 or something like that. We are at the tallest point now. So we did another 900 feet upwards. And now I think it's all downhill. Pretty sure now. But I said that last time and I was wrong, so. That's awesome. See, look at that. 500 bucks for littering. Got my receipts. It's all on video. Oh yeah, 500 bucks a piece. So 3 receipts, that's 1500. And then with the exchange rate, it's like 10 grand. Little update, boys and girls. Passing through Wrightwood. I was supposed to stay here, but it was all filled up. So they put me at Lake Arrowhead. So I'm a little bit further on, but it's just hit 39 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 4 degrees Celsius. Which is my 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 1. That's 3 quick maths. That's so funny. Yeah, so it is cold AF. I didn't bring the proper gear for this. I'm wearing my touring gear. I don't have my liners for my pants or my other boots, so I am frozen. That is the 15. That is the freeway that goes pretty much all the way to my house, all the way in Canada. The 15 in the States runs all the way up through Utah, Idaho, Montana. I said Utah, Nevada, and it turns into hour number 3 in Alberta. Let's just park over here, buddy. Okay, yeah, good call. Good call, good call, good call. Anyways, so that's really cool. I'm like, this gas station looks really familiar. And that's because it is. I made a joke to the clerk saying, I thought this is supposed to be warm out here, it's cold. She's like, you're in the mountains, dumbass. I'm like, okay. Yeah, I had Subway here. I've been through here on quite a few bikes. The KTM. The Acura. The Acura. What else I came through here on? And a Stuper Motard.